What is up, my beautiful I Am Simply Beautiful family? I just wanted to hop on here today and do a quick video for y'all. Like I said before, I'm in the process of moving, so I'm lucky that I got that Ricky's Called Crushes unboxing out for you. And I've got some more stuff coming up, but I'm just really trying. As you can see behind me, I have like shenanigans everywhere trying to get stuff together, and it's just like a huge mess. Like, if you have ever moved before, you know what I'm feeling. Like, it's just pack to unpack to pack to unpack again to repack because I need something. It's just so. But I just wanted to check in with y'all today, see what you're up to. And you know, it is Monday. Truly amazing week that you really are putting the pedal to the metal towards your dreams and your goals and your aspirations. You're stepping out on faith, and you're not walking in fear, so that you can get to where you want to go in your life and where God desires for you to go. Because, you know, y'all have learned that even when I thought I was really walking in faith, I really wasn't. Like, I thought I was walking in faith, but I really wasn't. Like, I was walking within my comfort zone to a certain degree. This piece of hair, y'all, is killing me. But I was walking in my comfort zone in faith. So if it included my comfort zone, if it was included within it, I was walking in it. And oh my gosh, yeah, I'm walking on faith. Yes. But I really was just walking as far as my comfort zone would allow me to walk. And now recently I have made some really big, bold moves towards going towards my dreams. Because I'm tired of being still. You know, I was doing really well for a while and stepping out of my comfort zone. And then sometimes you just get in these little bubbles where you're like, you know what? I can only go this far. And you feel like you're stuck in your current situation. And that's kind of where I was. And now I'm just really stepping out on faith to the next level. Doing things that I haven't done before. You know, making moves that I probably never thought I could. It takes you learning what you want to do and then going for it. Instead of making excuses. You know, I literally got to the point one day where I was like, Ashley, you need to shut up. Just shut up. Stop talking about it. Stop saying what you're going to do. Stop trying to make a plan for it. It isn't working. And just figure out a way and do it. It's like that saying, jump and grow wings on the way down. Sometimes you have to do that to grow. You'll never know your potential if you're constantly standing at the edge of the cliff and you're saying, you know what, nah, I can't make it. Or what if this happens? Or what if that happens? Sitting in your comfort zone, nothing's going to happen. Except you're going to get broken, disgusted with yourself, upset about your current situation. And then finally, one day, you're going to realize how much time is wasted in your life, and you're going to want to jump and make that leap. And guess what? Some people never do. Like Les Brown says that the richest place is truly the graveyard, because people literally go there. They die with so many dreams that are inside of them. Dreams with potential that never get to flourish or never see the light of day. And so I'm ready. I'm ready to take it to the next level. It has been a rough year for me, y'all. It has been actually a rough 2 years. You know, I had problems with my mom with illness and with her leg, and trying to figure out where to go and what to do, and I planned my event for this year and it did not go as planned, and I'm still heartbroken about that because I had so many ideas and so much hope and so much I wanted to do to be able to empower women, and that didn't quite go as expected between the weather and issues with the venue at the last minute. But you pick up the pieces and you keep going. You know, you don't stop when times get rough. You might take a break and kind of see where you're at and gauge where you want to go, but you keep going. You keep pushing. Those aren't things that are supposed to stop you. Those are things that are supposed to propel you. And I think that's what I really learned, is I could have easily said, you know what, I tried to do this event. I wanted to empower women. I wanted to do all of this, and it didn't go the way I planned. I'm not going to do it anymore. But I believe in what I'm doing. I believe in the I Am Simply Beautiful movement. I believe in empowering women. I believe in these books that we're doing. I believe that our story matters. I believe the world, we can empower so many women to stop judging themselves and saying that they're not good enough and listening to the outside negativity, but that we can actually say, hey, you know what? You are enough. You're simply beautiful just the freaking way that you are. You don't need validation from within yourself. And you have the right. You have the opportunity. You have everything you need inside of you to go towards your dreams and make them a reality. And I believe that. And that's what keeps me motivated to keep going and to keep pushing and not to give up in the midst of the storm. So that's where I'm at, y'all. Trying to get packed and ready to go. Oh, and I'm about to be so freaking random. I'm about to be so random. Hold on, let me see if I can find this. Let me see if I can find this. I found it and then I couldn't find it no more. Hold on. Can I get it to come out of here? I'm just going to have to show you. That's me as a baby, y'all. That's me as a baby. I'm telling you, you find all the coolest stuff while you're moving. Really. And I'm going to be random for one more second. Y'all want to learn a little bit more about me and who I am? I'm going to ask you today, what is your favorite cereal? It seems like in movies it's been my favorite things to eat because it's simple, quick, yummy, whatever. Besides Raisin Bran, I do like Raisin Bran, but no, I have Cinnamon Toast Crunch. Yes, favorite cereal. Post that in the comments below. And again, I hope y'all have a wonderful week. I hope that in some way this message reaches out to you and encourages you to just keep going, regardless of, you know, the standstills and the roadblocks and the things that you face in your life. You know, the thing is enjoy the journey. Enjoy the process. I think sometimes in life we end up forgetting about the journey and the process, that matters so much, that all we want to think about is the finish line. And the finish line is great. But what you're really going to remember, how you overcame all these obstacles to get to the finish line. The finish line is only sweet when you can think about the race to get there and how many things that you overcame and you pushed through, when your body was ready to give out, when your feet were ready to give out, when your mind was ready to give out, and you still pushed through to make it to the finish line. That's what truly matters. Just like, I think it's Miley Cyrus, it's the climb. It's not the peak. Yes, the peak is beautiful, but the climb to get there is what you really remember. And and what really sticks with you every part of that journey, getting to the top. It makes it even sweeter. And so, again, I hope y'all have a wonderful, wonderful week. This touches you in some way. And I will see y'all next time. Please do not forget to like this video, to subscribe to the channel. Definitely turn the notifications bell on so you can get my next posts, actually get notified of them. And I will see you next time. Comment below. Let me know your thoughts, opinions. Have a blessed and a wonderful, wonderful week. See you later. Bye.